Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your students or promote your students to the next class. Now, this is the second video in our New Year setup video series. So, if you haven't created a new academic year or if you do not have a pre-admission year, please check out our first video. Now, in this video, I have a few basic instructions that before doing this procedure, make sure you do it carefully and that you select proper academic years. So, let's begin. First, go to settings. In settings, go to transfer settings. Okay. So in today's video, first we are going to cover how to manage batch transfer or how we are going to transfer students from one class to another. Again, I would like to repeat that whenever you do the transfers, make sure you select the correct academic years before you click on transfer. Okay. So we'll select the current academic year. 2021. What type of transfer? Now there are two types, that is division and student specific. So first we'll take a look at division. So I'll select division wise. Then I'll select the class I want to promote. Let's say I want to promote 5th standard. Then which 5th standard student? Now again I'm selecting the next academic year. The academic year I want to transfer to. And let's say I want to put 5th standard to 6th standard. Now over here again I have an option to shuffle divisions. Now if say this child in 5th daffodil I want to put in 6th lily, then I can do that. I can select the next division which I want to transfer to and I'll click on transfer. So each transfer that is made, a log is there below. So you can, if you want to search, you can also search for a particular transfer that is made. Now that was about division wise transfer. We also have student specific transfer. Now if you, let's say you want to do, you want to transfer your students but you also want to shuffle them. So that student specific transfer can help you achieve that. So again I'll select the current academic year. I'll select the student specific transfer. Okay. Now let's say I'll select 2nd standard and I'm transferring to 3rd standard. Again I'll check the academic years. And I'll do select students. Now in select students, you simply have to click on the classes to open up. Okay. So now let's say I want to put a particular child of 2nd daffodil into 3rd lily. Then that's possible. Now all I have to do is I have to open the classes which I want to transfer from and to. And I can select either multiple children that I want to transfer at the same time. Or I can select a particular child. And I simply have to drag and drop those names. That's all. You have to select the particular children or child and you simply have to drag and drop. So that's all you have to do. If you are selecting a list, if you don't want any particular child in the list, you can either untick or you can remove that from here as well. Okay. So I can see the names of all the children that I have transferred to. And in the same way I can transfer to different classes as well. So let's say I want to shuffle my this particular class of student into all the 3 classes. I can do that also. So all I simply have to do, I have to click on the names and I have to click on the class, name of the class I want to transfer and drag and drop. And over here I am able to see all the children that I have transferred. And once I am done with the whole transfer, all the children that I wanted to transfer, I can cross check and I can click on transfer. Now that's all about student specific transfer. Now we saw 2 types of transfer, that was division transfer and student transfer. Again I would emphasize, please make sure you select the correct academic years. By mistake, if you have transferred from a wrong academic year to another wrong academic year or any mistake happens in this particular process, make sure to please contact our support team and they'll assist you, and do not do any further transfers until that particular query has been resolved. So that's all about student transfer. Thank you.